Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ma'am, and my beloved parent. My name is Ahmad Hasan from 4ICP7. My attendance number is 4. Now I convey my project task about scientific paper with title Run to be Democratic Through Simultaneous Election. This is the background problem. There will be simultaneous election on Wednesday, February 14, 2024. Preferred paper contain the President parties, House of Representative, People's Consultative Assembly, and Vice President. Voting organization group passed away because it was too tired, and voting organization group was tasked with counting all 5 ballot paper. Voting organization group is sick because he is too tired, and usually voting organization can count ballot papers in 1 or 2 days, and voting organization group counts 5 ballot paper, which is a lot. So the 2024 election is almost the same as the election at the beginning of independence, which followed to parliamentary or liberal democracy because it gives every citizen the freedom to choose the president, vice president, and members of legislative. And so people often mocking and elbow each other between parties and members. And this is the reception. There is two questions. This is the first question. How to carry out simultaneous election that are overflowing and fair? And this is the second question. What democracy is appropriate to implement in the 2029 election? And the next is research purpose. And there is 2 points in here. And the first point is to know how to carry out simultaneous election that are overflowing and fair. And this is the second point. To know appropriate democracy to implement in the 2029 elections. And this is the research methodology. And there is 2. There is research techniques and place and time of research. And the first is research techniques. This research uses a literature study to find data on literacy studies can differ to books, research journals. And this research is qualitative research. And the second is space and time of research. This research was conducted in MI Muslimat NU Pucang Sidoarjo. The research time is carried out in the event semester, precisely in March 15, 2024, until April 5, 2024. And this is the discussion. And there is two discussion. And this is the first. And the first discussion is to discuss this problem, we try to collect the following data. Many legislative members doesn't care with selection or candidate. In many of legislative member to corruption. Candidate of legislative member to choose by left of political parties to the prioritizing the left of legislative member to carry out selection election with overflowing a 5 candidate of legislative member must be selected first. In order the legislative member be quality and knowledgeable. So Indonesia become more developed. And this is the second discussion. The second discussion is the appropriate democracy is Pancasila democracy. Because it is democracy, Pancasila is democracy based on Pancasila. The principle stems from the fourth principle, so that decisions are taken by the people through wisdom in deliberation with common sense and conscience. And this is the conclusion. And there is 2 points. And the first point is carrying out simultaneous election in a overflowing and fair manner means that legislative candidates must be selected first. And the second point is that the list of legislative candidates is only qualified, and there are also few legislative candidates on the ballot paper, and the result is that it doesn't make things difficult for other people and is easy to choose. And the next is suggestion. Based on the result of this research, researchers try provide suggestions for government. Click election implementation, laws that are friendly to seniors. Consider returning to Pancasila democracy by limiting the term of office of the president. Plan the implementation of democracy that avoid division between the nation. Return the country to having an outline of state policy for sustainable. And the last is bibliography. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.